Hi students, in my earlier video we have learned how to solve quadratic equations in one variable. Students, in this video we will learn how to solve harder problems using factorization method. Students, let us solve the problem x square minus 3x minus a into a plus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x square, now we are expanding the middle term, so this can be written as a plus 3 minus a into x minus a into a plus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x square minus a plus 3 x plus ax minus a into a plus 3 equal to 0. Now we are taking common x, so we can write x into x minus a minus 3 plus, we are taking a common, so we can write a minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x minus a minus 3 into x plus a equal to 0. Students, here see the product of two factors equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus a minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to a plus 3 or x plus a equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus a. Hence, x equal to a plus 3 or x equal to minus a. These are the solutions of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus a into a plus 3 equal to 0. Let us consider the second question. Let us solve 1 by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b, given that a plus b not equal to 0. Students, this is an important problem for you. To solve the problem, let us simplify the equation. Here we take x into x plus a plus b as LCM. So we get it is x minus a plus b plus x equal to, here AB LCM, that is b plus a. This implies that x minus a minus b minus x by x into x plus a plus b equal to a plus b by ab. Here plus x minus x cancelled. This implies that we take minus common, that is a plus b by x into x plus a plus b equal to a plus b by ab. Students, here given that a plus b not equal to 0, so we can divide both the sides by a plus b. This implies that minus ab equal to x into x plus a plus b. This implies that x square plus ax plus bx plus ab equal to 0. This implies that we are taking x common, that is x into x plus a, and we are taking b as common, so it is b into x plus a equal to 0. This implies that x plus a into x plus b equal to 0. Hence we get either x plus a equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus a, or x plus b equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus b. Therefore, x equal to minus a or minus b are the solutions of the equation number 2. Find the roots of the equation x square minus 3 into root 2x plus 4 equal to 0. To solve the equation, let us expand the middle term as follows. This implies that x square minus 2 root 2x minus root 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Students, here see minus 2 root 2 minus root 2 equal to minus 3 root 2. So we can write, we are taking x as common. So this implies that x into x minus 2 root 2 minus, we are taking root 2 common. So we can write root 2 into x minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Students, here see root 2 into 2 root 2 equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. This implies that x minus root 2 into x minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. So we get the product of two factors equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus root 2 equal to 0, this implies that x equal to root 2, or x minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 2 root 2. Hence, x equal to root 2 and 2 root 2 are the roots of the equation number 3. Let us solve the problem. X plus 5 by x plus 2 equal to 5x plus 1 by 4x minus 1. Here see, the equation given is not in standard form. So using cross multiplication we get x plus 5 into 4x minus 1 equal to x plus 2 into 5x plus 1 using cross multiplication. This implies that x into 4x, that is 4x square minus x plus 20x minus 5 equal to 5x square plus x plus 10x plus 2. This implies that 4x square plus 19x minus 5 equal to 5x square plus 11x plus 2. This implies that 5x square minus 4x square plus 11x minus 19x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. This implies that x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. Hence, we can write x square minus 7x minus x plus 7 equal to 0. This implies that we are taking x common, that is x minus 7, and here we take minus 1 common, that is x minus 7 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 7 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 7 or x equal to 1. Hence, x equal to 7 and 1 are the solutions of the equation number 4. Students, let us solve the next problem. 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 1 by 6. Students, here see, the equation is not in standard form. So we have to simplify the equation. Now let us see x minus 1 minus x minus 2 equal to x minus 1 minus x plus 2 equal to 1. Similarly, x minus 2 minus x minus 3 equal to 1 and x minus 3 minus x minus 4 equal to 1. Therefore, the equation can be written as for this one we write x minus 1 minus x minus 2, that is x minus 1 minus x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 2, x minus 1 into x minus 2. For the second term, let us write x minus 2 into x minus 3. For 1, we can write x minus 2 minus x minus 3, x minus 2 minus x minus 3, and for this term, it is x minus 3 into x minus 4. For this one, we write x minus 3 minus x minus 4, that is x minus 3 minus x minus 4 equal to 1 by 6. This implies that let us divide each term. So it can be written as 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 1. From the second term we get, whenever x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3, so it can be written as 1 by x minus 3, and the next term is 1 by x minus 2, and here we can write 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 6. So we get 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 6. So we can write it is x minus 4 into x minus 1, that is x minus 1 minus x plus 4 equal to 1 by 6. By cross multiplication we get here 3 into 6, that is 18 equal to x minus 4 into x minus 1. This implies that x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 18. This implies that x square minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. This implies that x square minus 7x plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. This implies that we are taking x common, x minus 7. Here we take 2 common, it is x minus 7 equal to 0. This implies that x minus 7 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Students, here see the product of two factors equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 7 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 7 or x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus 2. Hence, x equal to 7 or x equal to minus 2 are the solutions of the equation number 5. Students, in this video, you have learned some problems of quadratic equation using factorization method. Thank you very much for watching the video.